Reclaim AI tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Reclaim AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Reclaim AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Reclaim AI, it is an innovative, smart scheduling application designed to enhance productivity by automatically organizing tasks, meetings, habits, and breaks within users' calendars. And the platform also integrates seamlessly with existing calendars such as Google Calendar, allowing users to manage their time more effectively without the hassle of manual scheduling. And also, Reclaim AI employs artificial intelligence to intelligently allocate time for various tasks based on the user-defined priorities and deadlines. And now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description below here, or alternatively, you can also click the Get Started button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on Get Started, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see from here, you can agree to sign up on Google, and after that, you will now be able to be directed on this page, so just simply fill out the required information, such as to connect this work calendar by clicking on it, and after that, just simply connect your Google Calendar in here. And click the continue button below to proceed and simply answer the question what brings you to Reclaim and what best describes your role. So just simply choose in here and click the continue button below here to proceed. And after that, you also need to fill out the required information such as what's your department and what brings you to Reclaim in here, and just simply click the continue button again. And after that, you could also click the show more, or you could also skip this part. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed under auto or schedule buffer time. And I'm going to select these two and click the continue to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will now be able to be directed on this page and just proceed by simply skip this part and click the continue button to proceed in here. But you could also fill out the required information if you want to. And after doing that, you will now be able to be directed on this page or a dashboard of Reclaim.ai. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options including planner, priorities, stats, tasks, habits, smart meetings, and many more. Now under this, you can proceed by going to click on Planner on the left side panel. By clicking on it, you will be able to see here the calendar view of your planner in here. And if you also want to select any kind or add a task in here, for example, for a specific date or time, can I click on it, or depending on your preferences. So let's say I'm going to click this one. And in this pop-up window, you can choose either logwork or new task. Under this logwork, you could also fill out the required information to create a new logwork or task in here. So again, just simply enter the name of the task. For example, I'm going to enter cook breakfast. And after that, below here, you could also select the duration time and the working hours. For the category, I'm going to choose personal hours. And then also the start time in here, I'm going to enter choose. For example, the start time is 6 AM and the due date of it is here, November 15. And after that, you'll now be able to see the result. However, as you can see, it is now currently logged since it is only private or per personal task. And now to create a new task, just click the new task button on the top right corner. Then again, just simply enter here the task name. For example, in here I'm going to enter research paper, and also the duration of it. You could also add or minus the hours. You could also split up to enter the minimum duration and maximum duration in here. But you could also uncheck this one if you don't want to. Now for the category, I'm going to choose working hours. And for the schedule, you could also click now to be added to your schedule or planner in here, and also the due date of it if you want to. And click the create button to proceed, or you could even add the notes or send to your up to next. And after that, just click the create button. But on the top panel, you could also navigate here the priorities such as critical, high priority, medium, or low priority in here. And after that, you can now click the create button to proceed. And you will now be able to see the result that your task has now been added. And you could also start viewing it in your planner in here. Or you can scroll down below here and look for your task that you just add in here. You could also navigate to drag it depending on the date that you want it to be added. But as you can see, it has a lock icon, which indicates that the visibility of it is just private. Now moving on, by closing this one on the right side panel, it will show us in here the priorities below, such as all of the tasks. In here, by clicking on it, it will show you the details of all of the tasks that you've been added to your planner in here. Now if you also want to change the priorities, just go to this priorities option on the left side panel. And from here, all you need to do is simply choose a kind of task that you want to customize the priorities, let's say this one, and click this priority option. You'd also click critical, high priority, low priority, or medium priority. So that is just also depending on your preferences in here. Now moving on, aside from that, under this section you could also filter the result of all of this, including to other columns in here, filter the priorities, or search for something on this page. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate this stats, in which by clicking on it, you'll be able to see all of your stats, including your team stats in here, which shows the analytics tool that provides users with insights into your time and allocated across various activities. So from here, you can track your work-life balance in here, including the average hours or personal habits, or even hours work outside normal hours, and also average hours of vacation in here. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate other options. But by simply clicking the task option from here, it will show you all of the tasks on your planner in here. You'd also open the task up to next and create a new task in here. By filling out all of the required information once again, for example, I'm going to enter meeting, and also I'm going to select the duration of it, minimum of 30 minutes, the maximum of 3 hours duration in here. Now moving on, you could also select the type or category and also the schedule after to add it in your planner in here, and click the create button to proceed. And now you will be able to see here that it will be automatically added depending on the way you schedule it on a specific date. And from here, by clicking these 3 dots, you can navigate the edit option, due date, snooze, add time, log work, mark as done, or even delete this task. Now moving on, going back on this page once again, you'd also navigate on the left side panel some other option, such as this habits option. By clicking on it, you can start clicking this new habit and start creating a new habit in here by filling out the required information, such as by entering here the habit name, setting your priority in here, add a color and category, also add a scheduling in here, and other details that need to fill out in order to start adding a habit. And after that, it will automatically add it in your planner. Alternatively, you could also select some other templates given in here, such as lunch, meditation, take a walk, reading, with a given details on this template. So you could also start customizing it depending on your preferences, and start clicking the save button to proceed. Now moving on the left side panel, you can navigate also this is smart meetings. By clicking on it, you can click or start creating a new meeting by clicking this button, and after that, just fill out the required information, including the new meeting name, the scheduling, repeat ideal days, and the other details on this page in order to start creating a new meetings. And after that, you'll be able to click the save button to start creating the new meetings in here. So basically, it is also easily to create a new meetings, habits, task on this page. Now moving on under this calendar sync, you can start syncing your calendars on your Google, which will also help you to track all of your tasks and planner in here from your Google account. So basically, using Reclaim.ai with the features like task synchronization from popular project management tools and the ability to block flexible time slots and important tasks, Reclaim AI helps to bridge a gap between to-do lists and calendar management. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Reclaim AI. Thank you.